There we go. You got that? You with me? All right. Well, that was fucking anticlimactic.
I'm foul mouth. F you, motherfucker. Shit. Quack.
Howdy there, Marty here, aka I'm Murdoch, and we are back in this video with something totally off topic yet again, something that is probably detrimental to my channel, but please, my Halo fam, bear with me for this one, just because I'm super stoked to share it with you. We got a box here, and they don't have a symbol on this box like they did for a while that apparently upset people. I don't know why I'm trying to be like secretive about it, because like the title of the video is gonna give it away. All right, getting there. All right. This is failing miserably. I apologize, everyone. I'm honestly really excited. Can you see it? Oh, can you see it? Oh, can you see it? Today, we will be taking a look at my very first pair of Jordans. Yes, sneakers. It doesn't really come up a lot on this channel, if at all, or ever, especially because I took a year off from making videos on this channel. I don't really collect anything that's like normally hyped or super desirable. You know, I just get stuff that I like, so I don't have like any Yeezys in my collection. And this is my first pair of Jordans. I don't have anything that's like, I don't know, Travis Scott or Off-White or buzzwords. The things I collect the most, or the things that I'm most hyped about at least, are like the Made in America New Balances, like the 998s, the 991s. Those are like probably my two favorite models. I think this is maybe like my second or third pair ever of like real basketball shoes. I had a pair of Gary Payton's back in the day. So that counts, I guess. I'm not a historian by any means when it comes to Jordans or really shoes in general for the most part, but these are the cool gray 3s. I don't know that I technically said that before. I'm really hyped on them. The Jordan 3 is my favorite model, like kind of in theory, because it's my first pair, right? Along with the 3s, the 1s, the 4s, the 11s, and the 13s, those are probably my favorite Jordans. I feel like the 3 is a pretty casual friendly basketball shoe. I really like the box. The box is cool. You got the elephant print on the one side. You got the Jumpman right there. I'll even let you guys see it first. I'm such a nice guy like that. Okay, and there's some paper action. All right, I can't see it, so I don't even know if it's autofocused. I feel shoe. There you go. You see it? You saw it first. These are super cool. Oh man. Box itself isn't super exciting. Here on out, you do get this elephant print paper, which is a nice touch. Bam, here we are. These apparently are much closer to the OG cut. That's what I'm told, so I will believe it. For me, I don't really care if it's specifically the OG cut. It's just these are less boxy. These are a little sleeker. I feel like the previous cut they were using before they started doing this whole like kind of recent line of retros for them or whatever were just kind of a little too boxy looking. They kind of look more like skater shoes, which funnily enough, I mean, I love skate shoes, but I like skate shoes as skate shoes. Yeah, I just really wanted to share my excitement. So we'll talk a little bit about the materials and the quality. You know, I have no real context outside of like coming across them in stores and like touching a friend's feet. I believe that the Cool Gray 3, I mean, so I know it's not an original colorway. For a lot of old heads, that seems to be like something that detracts. I don't specifically care about old colorways versus new colorways. I just like what I like, or I like cool color blocking. So yeah, they give you the Jumpman on the back instead of like the Nike Air. I know they tend to do the Jumpman when it's a non-OG colorway. But so we get the Jumpman in red, and then we get the Air in orange. We get that in the front when it comes to the Jumpman there, and the eyelets there. And then you get a little bit of the orange and air bubble back there. There you go, you can see that. And you get this perforated stuff right there, and on the back there. I love like the perforated thing. So it feels nice. The quality feels generally nice. You know, $200 nice. I don't know. Like when you compare it to like some of the Made in the USA like New Balances, hard to say. I mean, they feel sturdy. You know, like I know these things will like last like virtually forever and they'll take a beating. So that's great. Oh, and they get the perforated the tongue there in between the laces. These are pretty choked up, so we'll unlace them at some point here. Maybe now. But yeah, the quality's fine. You put this kind of material, this like pseudo leather slash almost nubuck. Yeah, because it almost gets that like suede slash nubuck like nappiness. I don't even know. I doubt that's coming through. It's very slight on this pair, but you can kind of like on shoes with like good suede, you'll see like a color change. In terms of the consistency, I know it's a general commentary on these things, whether or not they like are made in two different factories, like a left factory and a right factory, like the Twix. I know that's sort of a gag. I mean, to my eye, they look really darn close. The leathers seems to match. The left one is slightly more tumbled than the right. The tumbling's artificial anyhow, but there you go. Come on. So I don't even know if it's going to really come up there, but it's slightly more tumbled on the left than the right. But it's like such a, I mean, I don't even know if it's going to come out in the camera. In terms of other QC issues, tiny little bit of glue stain. Once again, that's not even going to show up if I try to show you, I don't think. This one's got a little bit of a loose thread in there. Don't even know if you could see it. So I'll just pull that out or I'll clip it. I'm not too worried about that. Honestly, there's not a whole lot to speak of. I mean, the stitching seems pretty solid, and yeah, I mean, I'm pleased. And especially for something that I'm going to wear like virtually daily. It's going to be a daily driver for me. That's pretty much gonna do it for this one. So I sure hope you enjoyed this video for what it was. I know it's not my normal thing, so all my Halo peeps are like, what the hell? Don't worry, it's just like a one-off thing. This won't be like a constant thing on my channel. I was just too excited and I really wanted to share it with you. But if you're new here and you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button. If you'd like to see more videos from me, you will get a lot of like Halo and toy related content, but I do like to throw in a lot of like, you know, mixed things as well. That was a weird way to say that. And actually, I do have one more pair of shoes coming, but it is actually in theme with the channel. So that'll be cool. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. As I always say, it makes me feel like I accomplished something, but otherwise, I guess I'll see you in the next one. Bye.